E B note, fret number 8. So you have, so where I have not explained, you'll just watch the video and correct it, alright? Because there's a mistake somewhere, so you'll just correct that according to what you have heard, according to the notes, the way the notes are sounding. Okay, so after doing that, last part, gosh, we are in 10 minutes. So last part, I want you to play last part like this. Let me not explain that, just do this. Okay, let me repeat it one more time. Slowly. But you know, I'm teaching you these things without techniques. Okay, so for the techniques, that is your homework. All right, so that is how you play it. I'm struggling to beat that time. So guys, that is how you play Kasongo by Supa Mazembe. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Subscribe, like, share, comment. We will meet soon in the other tutorial or in my upcoming tutorials. Bye bye.